This is what I got from Steph. And then I already opened it. Oh my god, what a lot of stuff, and they look so nice. Oh dear. Beautiful, beautiful flowers. And those. Oh, what a great stuff. This is amazing. Oh, thank you, thank you. Oh, sorry. I was supposed to show them in this picture, but I'm just taking them for me to see. And these are some tags. And a beautiful lady. Or a girl. This must be some tags. Oh dear, oh dear. Can't show all to you because the video doesn't probably go through all the way. Wow, this is amazing. And look at this. Oh, tags. And these are the, oh, I guess they might be those Tim Holtz things or something like that. I've seen them, but I never bought them. Beautiful ribbon. And this, oh my goodness. And these, can't remember what they're called in English. More tags. Oh, look at this. Oh, don't know what to say. My goodness. They look so vintage. I don't have so much vintage stuff. So this would be great. And here, oh, wow. And these kind of things, you can put them directly with journals. They are cut. Oh dear. Oh my goodness. More things inside. Oh, thank you, Steph. This is great. I have never got this kind of happy mail. Well, small. Oh, here are more. Now I understand when I've seen other people's videos and they said, oh. I feel the same. Great. I better check out everything. I must have missed something. Oh my goodness. This is so great. So great. Oh, look at this. Thank you. You probably have made this for yourself. Don't know. Oh, I love it. Thank you.